Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Lab CAE assessment. Still on TCM Foundations. This time, we review 5-element theory with our excellent students. Okay, so let's start the ball rolling with, nakalimutan ko pala mag-assign. Can we call on, who was the first one? Ma'am Che or Doc Che Damasco? Good of Palawan. Good afternoon. Can I ask Sir Mark to take care of 11 to 20?
Oh my
Sir Mark?
God! Hanggang 30. Okay.
Hindi. Sandali lang po. Mark, is that you? The famous
Yes,
Sir Mark
yes po,
Anthony?
Doc.
Yeah, 11 to
Yes po, Doc.
20. Would that be okay? Then Ma'am Erdeles Gonzaga, 21 to 30. Okay. So,
Yes, Doc.
sabihin ko na. So, si Doc She, as usual, is ready. Actually, akala nga niya 50 yung sasagutin niya eh. Ma'am She or Doc She. What is the 5-element theory known as?
Wu Jing.
Yes, it's
Wu means the five elements, and the Jing corresponds to the five organs.
amazing. Talagang ano yan ah. Spontaneous pa yon. Thank you. What are the movement and season cycle of the wood?
The wood is, the cycle is growing or upward, and the season is spring.
Yeah, aside
Tama ba,
from
Doc?
outward, it is expansive. Actually, all direction siya eh, no? Kung nakikita niyo to, hmm? You see that? Expansive outward movement in all
It's not moving, Doc.
directions.
The
Okay?
slide's not moving.
Yeah, the slide is not moving, Doc.
Oh my God. Why? Really? Why not? Wait lang. Bakit wala ako? Wait. Okay. We'll take a pause. Why is the slide not moving? Sandali lang po ah. Ano ba to? Doon sa amin, hindi naman ganito. Baka maraming gumagamit. Wait lang. Oh, what about that? Can you see something now? Meron na?
Wala pa po, Doc.
It's just the first page, Doc.
Really?
Share ka ulit, Doc. Turn it off, then turn it on again siguro.
Ayan, thank you. Sige, I'll do that. There. Is it there?
Yes.
Yep, we got second page.
Okay.
Try the third again, Doc, if it moves.
I'm
Before
sorry.
try going to another page to see if it moves.
Okay. Ay, wow. Yeah, there. You can see it.
Only two pa rin, Doc. Ayan,
Yeah.
three. Okay, got it.
There. Is it moving?
Yes.
Okay. So, Mom, Doksha answered expansive. Now, what's the Zhang equivalent of the wood element?
Fever.
What's the organ? Doksha.
Maingay.
Ano yung maingay?
The gallbladder.
It's the liver and gallbladder. The liver is the yin component, while the gallbladder is the yang. Got it?
Yeah.
Now, what do we mean by this? This actually refers to the qi. Paano yung flow ng qi? Expansive, okay. Outward, in all directions. Alam niyo ba, the most commonly affected organ when you're so stressed is what? Liver. You agree?
Fever. Yes.
If the liver qi stagnates, hindi siya gumagalaw, it will generate heat. Umiinit. So pag uminit siya, lumalakas siya. So, as you can see, it will be more expansive. Okay, if you remember the what's this, the chart, andun si stomach, si spleen, andun din si heart, kung pataas ka ng pataas, diba? And also the lungs, the metal element. Kaya pag sobrang control naman niya yung, kasi the liver, the wood is supposed to control the earth. Earth is represented by what? Stomach and spleen, right? Kaya
Yes.
napaka-common example is pag nagalit ka. Nagalit ka, kinimkim mo, ayaw mo magsisigaw-sigaw because you're afraid people will brand you as uneducated or uncivilized. So you keep it to yourself. So this is what happens. If you don't show it, sasakit yung ulo mo kasi umakyat siya, super akyat. And sometimes mainit yung dito. This is actually liver. So yung mga nakaka-relate dyan, lalo na pag gustong pumutok, parang bulkan ng Mayon or bulkan ng Canlaon pala ngayon para mas relevant, you will notice na masakit yan dyan, no? I just received a warning about the tropical cyclone. Okay. Bilisan na natin para matapos. Anyway, so and also it affects the earth. Kaya pag affected the stomach, what will happen?
Mag-gastro, mag-GERD.
Okay, umaakyat instead of going down. And what happens to the spleen then? Spleen is supposed to go up. This time it goes down. Ano mangyayari? Nagkakaroon ka ng loose stools. Nagda-diarrhea ka. And also, it affects the spleen. And the metal element, metal, lungs. Diba? So,
The larger
insulto niya si lung. I know. Yeah, ini-insulto niya si lung. Because the lung is supposed to control the wood, right?
Yes po.
Metal is supposed to control the wood, the lung is supposed to control the liver. But this time, since malakas si liver, hihina si lungs. So uubo ka. So yung mga nakaka-relate dyan, galit na galit, no? Example, hihina yung spleen mo, magkakaroon ka ng ng mga pigsa. May nakaka-relate.
Rashes.
So, okay, next. Doksha, an upward movement. So we're referring to an element that blazes upward, causes red face and sensation of heat, associated with summer and growth is which element?
fire element.
Great. Easy.
It's not moving again. Ito na, yan.
Hindi, kasi mukha ko nakita. Yan. Okay na. Let me know if it's moving or not. Okay. What movement and season cycle is associated with Earth?
The season cycle associated with Earth is late summer.
Mm-hmm.
So, yung movement niya is slow. Yun,
Slow.
neutral.
Or it doesn't move at all. It should be neutral
No,
or
neutral.
stable. Grounded ka. No? The cycle, neutral, no season, or the last 18 days of each season. If you're going to look at the cosmological sequence of the 5 elements, the Earth is in the middle. So the last 18 days of each season is associated with Earth. Okay? This is actually the pivot point. Metal movement and season cycle are associated with what?
Autumn, and the movement is downward and inward pala. Inward.
Inward, hindi downward. Ibang element yung
Inward
downward.
pala. Inward. Inward and autumn.
So,
Or
opposite
fall.
po ng liver, ng ano to?
Metal.
No. Opposite ng wood. Ang wood, di ba, expansive, lumalaki,
Yeah.
outward movement. Ito naman, contracting, inward movement. Parang papaloob and molded. You know, molded when you have yung mga stones, no? Season, yes. A downward movement at winter storage is which element?
Water.
Wow, good. Easy.
Yeah, easy.
What organ should be tonified or boosted? So alam naman natin, at the end of each season, what element is that? 18
Earth.
days. The earth. 18 days,
The earth.
yeah, after each season, especially
Earth.
winter. So what should be tonified or boosted at the end of each season to regenerate the energy?
Spleen.
Spleen lang. Spleen and
Spleen.
stomach.
Spleen
Ay,
and stomach.
Nagkaroon ka ng ano? Lung
Yeah.
Okay, number 8. Which two organs are on a vertical axis and represent the relationship? Is the slide moving?
Yes.
Did the slide move? Okay, we're
Yes.
now on number 8. What's the answer here? Represent the relationship to yin and yang theory or mutual consumption. This is a classic example of mutual consumption.
Yes.
The kidney and the heart, no?
Wow, ang galing. Can you tell us why? Can you tell us why? Bakit classic example siya ng yin and yang mutual consumption? Ibig sabihin na uubos yung isa pag
Yes.
sobra yung isa. Can you tell us
Yes.
why?
Because heart represents fire and the kidney represents water. If heart is if there's too much fire, it will dry up the water element or the kidney.
Okay.
And
how-
when there is excess of the water element, it will also um dry up or it will turn mamamatay yung fire element, which is the heart.
Okay, so if you look at the tongue, alam naman natin that the tongue, if it's red, it represents there's just too much heat. How does that correlate with the kidney and the heart? Sabihin na natin, long tongue, red. What is that telling us?
Heat.
Using the kidney and heart relationship. Heat, no? So what do you think is the organ that is problematic here? Is it the kidney or the heart?
Kidney.
The kidney.
Yeah, very good. Ang galing yun naman. Ngayon, if the dila is so malapad and it's wet, what do you think went wrong here?
The heart is
Weak.
weak, so nag-create siya ng phlegm, too much water.
Huwag
So
naman
nagkaroon siya
phlegm.
ng phlegm.
Huwag mo na phlegm. Huwag mo
Ako
na
muna phlegm.
diretso mong phlegm.
Huwag muna.
Heart.
Okay. So are we good? Yes. So
Yes.
again, heart and kidney are a very classic example of fire and water, right? So kailangan ni kidney ang heart because ayaw ng kidney ang malamig. So to keep it warm, the heart fire should go down, not go up. Yes. Now, in the same way that the heart fire should be contained, or the heart should actually not be on fire, quote unquote. It should only be, it should be able to be, it should be cooled down by the water. So kung mahina si kidney, yung what's this? The
Heart.
will be uncontrolled. Malakas yung fire. Wow, ang galing niyo talaga. I'm proud of you. Now gets na. Alam niyo ba ang daming may problema sa puso?
Yes po, Doc.
Lalo na ngayon, atake. Okay, number 9. Which element and organ is the foundation or the starting point of all other organs?
The liver or the wood.
Are you sure?
Water and kidney.
Uy,
Yeah, water and
I
kidney.
meant
Okay, water, kidney. Sorry.
more.
Did you really mean what wood and liver, Doc She?
Yeah.
Mm, actually, no. Pinaka-critical ang kidney. Do you agree?
Yes po, Doc.
Okay. Sige na, mamaya na tayo mag-away.
Okay.
Okay, the last one for you before your cough gets worse. I think ang dami mong kinaing ano.
Sending healing energy to Chef.
That's the problem when you love ano. I remember you love pungent food. Maaanghang. Okay. Nakita kita kung paano mo i-consume yung ano. But anyway, sarap na sarap ka. So I don't wanna spoil
So,
the...
alam niyo na kung anong ireregalo niyo sa akin sa Pasko.
Okay.
Chili
A-attend
oil.
ka ba sa
Chili
20?
garlic sauce. Okay. Para lumala yung cough. Okay. What do the kidney and heart represent?
The kidney and heart represent, parang yung question ng kanina, Doc. Yun,
Pero
yung
dagdagan mo,
relationship.
sa
The
totoo
mutual
lang, hindi lang siya fire and water. It is also relationship sa yin and yang theory. You agree? And also about mutual consumption. Pag naubos na po yung fire, magiging water na siya, di ba? Pag naubos naman yung water, fire na siya. Mental and emotional health. Kaya tingnan nyo, yung mga mahaba ang dila, may konting problema yan sa emotion. At saka sa mamaya na lang, no? Thank you so much, Doc She. And I'm sure
Thank
you're
you, Doc.
still yung mga natitira pang celebration mo sa birthday ng anak mo. Happy birthday to your daughter. To
Thank you.
Princess. Thank you. Who did I assign 11 to 20? Was it Sir Mark?
Yes po, Doc.
Okay. Sir Mark, what does the fire represent mentally?
Heart represent mentally. Talk about your strength. Talk about your mind, spirit, and your consciousness.
Ay, wow, bakit ka galit? Okay.
Tinatabla ko ng anxiety, Doc.
Parang nakaka-relate ka.
Oo.
Okay. Ganito po yan, ha? The mind or the Shen needs a residence, and it will look at the heart blood or heart yin as the residence. So if you are someone who is deficient in heart blood and heart yin, then magiging restless ka. Okay? So for good practitioners like you need to be able to deal with people who are so anxious, who are so restless, who have very unusual cravings, those who have dream disturbed sleep. That means walang residence yung kanilang Shen. So it's either heart blood deficiency or heart yin deficiency. And I think you know the difference. Let us ask Sir Mark, what is the difference? Would you know? Okay,
Heart
sabi
yin.
natin, anong itatanong mo sa pasyente if your diagnosis is heart blood deficiency?
Kung tatanong ko pa sa pasyente kung nakakatulog ka ba?
Okay.
Kung
Madali ba siya
nagpapalpitate-
makatulog? Na ba?
Oo.
If you have heart
Apa.
blood deficiency kasi, aside from having impaired memory, it takes like an hour or two before you can go to sleep. Okay? What about heart yin deficiency, Sir Mark? There is also insomnia. What type of insomnia are we dealing with?
Type ng insomnia siguro, Doc, sa tingin ko po yung pagising-gising, Doc.
Yeah.
Parang balis.
Bakit sa tingin mo lang? Alam mo na yun. Yun. Alam mo na talaga. Grabe. Okay. Galing. Okay. So, aayusin mo yung heart blood. If matagal siya makatulog, kailangan pa niyang bumilang ng ilang sheep Or
Opo.
kailangan pa niyang mag-check ng laptop niya or whatever, or gadget. And then, yung nakakatulog naman siya pero pagising-gising. That's heart-yin deficiency. Next. What does water represent mentally?
Pag kidney pinag-uusapan is let's talk about your willpower.
Wow, Gerlin. Okay. Katulad mo. Okay. It's about your willpower.
Yes
Okay, kung
po.
mahina yung willpower mo, mahina yung kidney mo. Okay?
Yes.
So for people who cannot seem to make what's this, they have plans, they have nakaplano na yung buhay nila but or may project sila but hindi sila makatagal, then we have an issue. Mahina yung kidney, the willpower. What happens when there is disharmony and the fire is weak?
When the fire is weak, maybe the person is always impulsive behavior,
Okay.
lagi may tang ulo.
Kung magda-drive siya, paano?
Lagi
Actually, hindi siya
nakasigaw.
maingat. Hindi siya maingat. Very impulsive. Kasi pag,
Right.
yeah, risk taker. Hindi tan risky. Risk taker siya. Para bang, mm, pag sinabi mo kasing fire is weak, hindi masyadong grounded, hindi masyadong hindi mahina yung heart yin mo, heart blood mo. Make sense? The
Yes
fire
po.
is
Parang
weak.
handa siya.
So that means padalos-dalos ka, So for people na padalos-dalos mag-decide and then they regret afterwards, then reckless, they're not too careful, and also they take risks, calculated risks. Okay. Next, what happens when water is weak?
When water is weak, maybe makakalimutin, may depression, tsaka mabagal.
Ang galing naman. Saka malabo ang pag-iisip.
Yes po. Wala sa focus, sir.
Oo. Alam ko personal na to, Sir Mark, ha? Nangyari ba
Opo.
to sa'yo?
Yes po, Doc. Nangyari po sa akin yan.
Ano?
Naging makalimutin ako kung nagkaroon po ako naging alcoholic po ako, Doc. 2 years ago. Tapos nagkaroon ako ng depression. Tapos parang bumalik sa kindergarten. Parang hindi ko na alam minsan yung pangalan. Kung nangyari sa akin yan.
Sige. So may tatanong ba yung iba? Paano nangyari? Joke na lang. Wag na lang. Why is spleen in the center?
Di ba po ang spleen natin is nagnunurisyo siya ng lahat ng organs natin. Transport, tsaka yung transport and transport ng spleen po natin. Tsaka siya panipapadala ng chi sa lahat ng organs po natin, Doc.
Wow, grabe yung transformation mo, Sir Mark. Parang inspired ka ngayon.
Wala po, Doc.
Oh.
What organ does the spleen support to make blood?
Di ba po ang heart store the blood?
Okay. Okay. Pwede mo ikwento sa amin paano gumawa ng blood from the spleen?
Spleen. From the spleen, no? Di ba ang ang kinakain natin, nagkakaroon ng food chain mula sa spleen natin to. Nanonourishment ang spleen natin. Tapos nagtatransport po siya sa iba't ibang bahagi ng organs natin.
Mhm. Okay. So yung pinaka-subtle pupunta sa actually yung iba pupunta sa di ba? Pupunta diretso sa small intestine para mas maano pa siya, ma-digest pa, separate the pure from impure. But yung tinatawag nating food chi, ku chi, that's very subtle. So it has a tendency to like go up, go to the lungs. Then what happens next, Sir Mark? Di ba yung ano ba nasa lung? Para kailangan dumaan muna sa lungs bago mapunta sa heart.
Di ba yung air?
Oh, oxygen, yeah. Air. Tama.
Air po.
Diba? So
Oo.
we're talking about 2 chi plus air chi. Ito na yung oxygen. If you're going to study biochemistry, alam naman natin na to form ATP, we call it ATP, you have glucose and
Look,
oxygen, diba? Is the
Mm.
slide moving? Is the slide moving?
yes po.
Okay. Now, because of that, then kailangan pa rin yung ano mo, kailangan pa rin support ng kidney. And then, papunta na sa heart. So, kailangan ng heart. Okay, yun na. What is the generating sequence commonly known as?
Yung general sequence niyan sa pag-aalala ko is mother-son relationship.
Galing. Okay. Mother-son. Who is the mother of the kidney?
Wait lang po, bibilang lang po ako.
Ay. Ano ba yan?
Di ba si spleen ba, Doc? Tama po
Hindi,
ba? Mali.
wait lang. Mother-son yung pinag-uusapan. So, sino yung mother ni kidney?
Si heart.
No.
Hindi.
No.
Tama ba?
Sila.
Oh, yung mga
Sino?
Metal
maganda.
lungs.
Sila.
Sila.
Metal. Metal po,
Met-
lungs.
Metal
Sorry.
lungs.
Metal lungs. Nalito na po ako.
Bakit ganito?
Di po ako nalito sa
Sino yung anak ni liver?
Liver, wood, si heart. Heart
Yes.
fire.
Okay.
heart. Bullet.
So what does the generating sequence display?
Yung harmony, tsaka disharmony, Doc.
Okay, very good. Balance. Everyone okay? Yeah?
Yes, agree.
Number 19. So what happens when there is imbalance to the generating sequence? So pag there is an imbalance, there will be two terms that you have to be so familiar with because this is the thing that will really make you a good practitioner.
Yes po.
Yes.
When you talk about imbalance, sa pagkakaalam ko yung excess and deficiency.
Deficiency. Correct.
Tama na.
Imbalance po.
I have my next question because your questions are easy. Okay. Which one is more chronic? Which one is more acute? Alin yung mas madaling i-treat?
Deficiency is the chronic and excess is the acute.
Okay. So which one is easier to treat?
Deficiency.
Are you sure?
Excess.
Excess.
Siyempre kung hindi deficiency.
Excess.
Di ba pag deficiency, Doc?
Deficiency
Okay,
is
ganito.
chronic yun eh.
Who are
Ang
LMP
deficient
here?
ko,
Who are
chronic,
masseurs?
yan, tagal.
Sino dito ang mga massage therapists?
Ako, Doc, di ba deficiency?
Hindi.
Excess ba?
Matagal ang gamutan sa deficiency.
Pag,
Chronic.
Pala excess.
hindi Pag deficient kasi, ano yung chronic yun? Matagal yun. Pag,
Oo nga pala, sorry. Kapag
Sige,
excess,
okay
ito yung lagi nagpapamasahe.
sa
Yung parang
excess
sabi-
acute,
Okay. Sige. Okay.
yan.
For the benefit of those who are new, by the way, let me tell you na pinapa-advance ko kayo kaagad, di ba? Paulit-ulit. So, since we want you all to be very good at pulse diagnosis, can you tell us, Sir Mark, when you feel the pulse, which is deficient, which is excess?
Kalimutan ko to.
Ay, hindi mo dapat
Kapag-
makalimutan. Bawal.
Opo. Kapag excess po, rapid po yung pulse po niya.
Are you sure? No. No.
Forceful.
Forceful. Forceful, malakas.
Rapid, different from forceful. Naku, Sir Mark, Ano bang, like, if your pulse is rapid, what does it mean? What does it signify? Hot or cold?
Kapag rapid po pinag-uusapan po sa maaring may infection ng
Heat and cold yun, yung
Yeah,
rapid
heat
or
and
yung
cold.
rapid or slow. Heat and cold.
Yes. Diba? Agree? Hmm.
Yes po.
Deficiency. So how do you describe a deficiency pulse? Is it weak or forceful or forceless?
Heat.
Weak,
Sir Mark,
weak po, weak po,
or
Doc.
forceless, right?
Yes po.
Hmm. Can you have an excess pulse that is deep? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Okay. Galing ta. Okay. Sa totoo lang, wala pa tayo sa diagnosis. Next module pa yon. Pero ang gagaling nyo na. Di ba? Pero yung mga bago, huwag ma-intimidate. Say hello to Ma'am Trixie. She's pretty actually. O, di ba? Puro kayo magaganda, mga gwapo
Hello.
dito. Hello, Ma'am Trixie. Are you feeling comfortable?
Yes, thank you.
Would you like to answer 100 to 110?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Okay lang if you don't want. Kasi parang bago lang siya, and I'm sure some of you have already answered the questions as early as last week or even 2 weeks. And so, ina-expect ko kayo. Sige lang, you observe mo na, Ma'am Trixie. I hope you don't feel intimidated, but you should be back on Monday with a vengeance. Let's show them, di ba?
I think I can answer the 101 to 110.
Ay, napahiya ako tuloy. Sorry for underestimating. Sorry. Wow. My God, that's what we call really wow, great. I'm so excited. Last question, Sir Mark. What is an
Yes po.
example of deficiency between elements? Ano yung relationship?
Deficiency between elements, for example, the liver fails to nourishment the sun
Nor
or the heart.
Ang galing. Okay. Thank you so much, Sir Mark. And thank you for being a good sport. Alam ko medyo ayaw mo magkamali. Pero tao lang tayo, ganun talaga. Thank you, Sir Mark. And thank you for sharing you were depressed before.
Yes po.
Sige po, thank you. We will have another for that. We were thinking of doing what's this? A podcast as requested by Miss Joy. Oo. Would you like that? We'll have a very lively podcast. Maybe by January, no? Oo. And I'm sure Mom Tree would love that. It's something,
yeah,
and I'll probably invite
sure.
Dr. Ian to give more, spice to the podcast. So sana po maraming magbalitaktakan. We'll probably talk about emotions or probably anger, whatever. Yeah. Thank you so much, Sir Mark. Who did I ask to take care of 21 to 30? Sino bang ano ko
Ako
dito?
po, Doc.
Oh, Ma'am Andreles. Oh my God. Thank you for
Good afternoon po.
liver heart blood deficiency na ako. But before I call you, I would like to assign 31 to 40 to okay. Hindi na nagda-drive si Ma'am Mabel. Ma'am Mabel, take care of 31 to 40. Are we okay?
Wala pong sagot, Doc.
Ay, bakit naman?
Hanggang ano lang, hanggang
Ano?
25.
Okay. Sige. Bawi lang. And what about Ma'am Lynn Carillo? Miss Ormoc? Ang alam ko, naka-ano ka na, week 4. Yes? Sige, wala naman sa pilitan dito. Ay, walang response. Okay, let's probably, ma'am. Sino pa ba yun? Sir Walter. Sir Walter?
Yes, good evening po, sir.
Okay, 31 to 40.
Okay po, copy po, sir.
Ayan ba gusto ko? Oo. Bilisan nyo na pagsagot, Madam. Mabel, 81 to 90. Okay, and
Susubukan
I'll
ko
call
po ito.
on Ma'am Mercy. Madam M, for 41 to 50. Okay. Since the questions are very easy, expect side questions. Now, Ma'am Erdeles looks so ready. Buti na lang di ka busy ngayon.
Sabi ni Ma'am
Wala po
Susan,
akong
siya daw sa
client.
4150.
Ay, oo nga pala. O sige. Ma'am Susan, 41 to 50. So 51 to 60 si Ma'am Mercy. Okay. Just remind me. Ma'am Susan, yes? 41 to 50.
Okay po, Doc. Okay po, Doc. Thank you.
Let's proceed to 21. What is an example of excess between elements?
Water draws from metal.
Okay. So this is an example of what, ano ba tong problem? Yeah. So parang inuubos niya, kinukuha ni water si metal. Kaya nagkakaroon ng excess. What does it mean when there is deficiency between elements?
Mother fails to nourish the sun.
Wow. What does it mean when there is excess between elements?
Sun draws too much energy from mother.
Okay. Let's say, nagkaroon ka ng, namumula yung mukha mo sa galit.
Yes, Doc.
What are you going to do? Okay, pag namumula, ay, inandelisik yung mata mo sa galit. Namumula yung mata mo. Okay, what are you going to do? What are you going to do with the son or the mother? So by the way, pag namumula yung mata, what Zhang are we talking about?
Fire. Heart
Liver?
fire.
Heart fire?
Okay.
Okay, umabot na sa fire. But nagalit siya, road rage. So liver fire, right?
Liver yang rising.
Yeah, so the question is, since sinasabi mo, ang son will draw too much energy from the mother, what are you going to do with the son? In this case, what are you going to do with the son of the liver? Are you going to sedate? Yes.
Sedate.
Yeah, so nagsisi pa ako, tinanong ko, magaling pala. Okay, ang galing. So sedate mo yung heart, right?
Yes po.
Great. In case of deficiency, how do you treat it?
Tonify the mother.
Wow. Okay. Galing. Okay. So if you have heart blood deficiency, who will you tonify? Heart blood deficiency. Heart blood deficiency. Who is the mother of the heart?
Liver. Liver po.
So you tonify the liver. What else are you going to tonify? Remember the mother, let's say heart blood, no? Heart blood, heart channel. So sino ba dito yung... Are you familiar with the 5 points in the channel?
Sa heart po?
Yes.
Sa heart po.
Yeah.
Heart 5, heart 7.
What are the 5 shoe points of the heart? Let's start with ano bang pinakadulo ng heart? The heart 9?
Heart 9, heart 7.
What do you call that? It's called Jingwell, right?
Jingwell.
And since it is a yin organ, ano po yon? Wood or metal?
Wood. Ay, water pala.
Wood. Wood. Wag na baguhin. Walang water. Wood.
Wood.
So what do you do with what were you saying? Heart 9. What will you do with heart 9? Are you going to?
Tonify.
You're going to tonify heart 9. Kasi kulang na fire. So heart 9 is actually the liver point or the Jingwell point of the heart channel. So there are 2 ways to tonify the heart. It's either on the heart channel, kasi
liver channel.
Hanapin mo yung wood point, and the wood point is the first point or the last point. Heart 9, sa dulo ng daliri, di ba?
Opo.
Or, ay end pala. You tonify the
Water.
no, you tonify the liver. No?
Liver.
Next.
So,
In case of excess, how do you treat it?
Sedate the child.
Sedate the or sedate the son. What
Yes.
does the controlling sequence mean?
Each element controls one another and is also controlled by one. It ensures balance is maintained among the 5 elements, similar to checks and balances.
Okay.
Parang yung grandparent control the child.
Yung sinabi ko sa una, di ba?
Opo.
Opo.
Okay.
Hard water.
Okay, can you give us an example? Dito. Sa fire. Who controls the fire?
Seawood.
Controls
Seawood
the
po.
fire. No.
Water.
Metal.
Water.
Sino ba nagko-control? Di ba yung lolo?
Metal pala, metal.
Metal and
No.
water.
My question is, who controls the heart? Fire.
Water.
Water kidney. It's the kidney.
Okay. Is that normal? Is that physiological?
Water.
You understand? Yan yung controlling sequence. Control.
Water, kasi apo niya si
Yeah,
heart.
kasi pag sobra yung fire mo, dapat si water nandoon para kumalma.
Kasi di ba pag maapoy,
Yeah,
kailangan mo lagyan ng tubig.
kasi masusunog.
Di ba?
Yes po.
Choppy.
Are we good?
Choppy.
Yes.
Water can
Yes.
Okay. You need to understand the first one so that you will be able to understand the next one. Ano naman ibig sabihin ng over-controlling?
Water.
Overacting.
Si water ang lola ni fire. Siya ang control.
Okay, Ma'am Earth.
One element becomes too strong and acts unto another, becomes too weak and is being acted by another.
Okay. Like this one, what happens? Can you give us an example? There's too much water. Water over controls the fire. What happens to the fire?
Mati-drain.
Maubos yung fire.
Maubos po yung fire.
Ano mangyayari
Drain.
pag maubos yung fire? What will happen to the patient?
Ubuhin.
Can it
Malulunod.
control the metal? Yeah,
Cannot
okay.
control the
Kaya
metal.
magaling. Okay. Which sequence follows the same as controlling? Pakipatay mo yun.
Overacting or controlling.
Yes.
Ganda pala.
It's just that this one is physiological. Yung overacting or controlling is pathological. Okay? Yes. So, what are you going to do? Example, si wood is over-controlling the earth. Ma'am Erdeles. So what
Yes.
happened to the earth?
Maubos po.
Hihina si earth. Magkakaroon ng dampness. You agree?
Yes
po.
po.
Okay.
Deplete.
So kasi masyadong malakas si wood. Now what are you going to do sa wood para hindi siya masyadong malakas?
Sedate si wood.
Pahihinain mo siya? Or palalakasin mo yung nagko-control sa kanya?
Pahihinain daw.
Sino nagko-control kay wood? Paano ba pahihinain si wood?
Tonify the metal element.
Yes,
Metal.
tonify the metal.
Metal.
Okay, when
metal.
it comes to tonifying, okay, listen carefully. When you tonify, you have to make sure that it's super effective. And we have the so-called Horary points. Okay? Okay, just like the metal channel, sino ang Horary point ng metal channel? Dapat
Right.
Si
sino ang
Fire.
Horary point ng metal channel? Para mas effective. Kasi dapat,
Horary point
ano
ng
eh,
metal.
talagang maganda yung ammunition mo. Gusto mong pahinain si Wood
Si ano?
para hindi umina si Earth. Do you agree? Yes?
Yes
Lang,
po.
So you will be looking
lang
up.
8.
Okay. Ang gagaling.
Lang 8 siya.
So,
Lang
Horary
8.
point.
Horary point of the metal
Lang
element.
8 yung horary point ng metal.
Okay. So when you say
Lang 8
horary
or
point,
large intestine.
we are talking about the metal point of
Mhm.
of the metal element.
The metal
Of
element.
the controlling element.
Lungs 1, lungs 2, lungs 3, lungs 4,
Lang 8 po.
lungs
Lang,
8. Lahat ng meridian ng lungs.
lang 8 or LI1.
No. Bakit tatayo na LI?
Yung metal din po kasi siya sa metal.
Oo nga, pero ano, di punta muna tayo, parang may mali. Wait lang, parang ako tuloy na mali. Okay. Na-stress ako. Ano ba? Ano yung unang point na sa pinakadulo, di ba lang?
Lang 8 na lang nga.
Lang 8.
Hindi sila, no,
Lang 8 na
lang.
lang para walang
Lang
stress.
No, wait lang. Lang, ilang points meron ang lang channel?
9.
9. Lang 9 by Doc.
Sigurado ka? Lang 9 lang? Hindi ah. Ilang points ang
Lang
lang channel, Miss Carillo?
8.
Sure kayo?
12?
Anong
Lang.
12? Naku, hindi ah.
Lang,
Google nyo.
lang
Google
8.
nyo dali. Lang 11.
Lang
Lang
11.
11.
May
Would
lang
yun?
11 ba? Okay. Okay, tapos yung sumunod,
Lang 11
Lang-
wood po.
lang 11,
Horary.
wood. Okay?
Wood.
Anong sumunod
Wood.
sa lang 11 para maging
Fire.
lang 10?
10.
Di ba?
9.
Lang 10.
Sino si lang 9?
Earth yun.
Earth pa
Earth
yun.
elements
Ito yung
yun.
pinag-uusapan eh. So, sino yon? Lang 9 or lang 8?
Si lang 8.
Lang 8.
So, it's
Lang
lang 8.
8.
Okay? So, you need to know this because we are so a fan of the Korean 4-point needle technique. Remember?
Yes po, Doc.
Tell us about it, Ma'am Erdeles.
Alimutan ko na
Ay,
bigla.
akala ko ba alam mo? Bakit mo nakalimutan? Oh my God. Alam ko, tinitingnan na yung chart, ah. Pero di bale na, na-stress tuloy yung iba dyan. Okay. This is so important. Okay? Next, explain the sequence for insulting.
Element rebels against the controller. One element becomes too strong and counteracts. Example, grandkids talking back to grandparent.
Okay. Have you experienced yung paggalit ka, inuubo ka?
Yes po.
Bakit yun?
Kasi naapektuhan yung lungs.
Yeah, no, using this one, using this insulting cycle.
Nagka-counteract po si lungs kapag
Malakas you would.
yes po.
Okay, very good. And number 30, which
Kasi
two,
si heart insults the lungs.
yes, yeah, good. Which two 5-element sequences denote
Kain
balance
sa maligtas pa.
ecology? Ibig sabihin healthy. Sinabi ko
Ah.
at the start.
Generating uncontrolled.
Wow. Congratulations, Ma'am Erdeles. Kahit nakalimutan mo yung 4-point
For
needle
Korean
technique.
technique. Thank you, Doc.
Sige lang. Wala
Yun.
pa tayo doon. Thank you so much. Let's call now on was it? Yeah. Sir Walter?
Pachapi ako.
Sir Walter,
Yes po. Good evening po.
Pachapi ako.
evening. Ayan, dyan na aral taga si Sir Walter. Oh.
Hindi po.
Ready. Are you enjoying this so far, Sir Walter?
Trying po na unawain po talaga. Medyo na ano, nahihilo pa rin. Masakit pa rin sa ulo. Nahirapan ako, sir.
Ay, bakit?
Medyo kailangan talaga ng more on ano pa. Sana meron kayo, sir, ano, face to face na ano,
Ay,
advanced training uli.
hindi kita naman yung mukha natin dito. Oh. Face to- Hindi, ganito lang. Okay, sige. Sana perfect to, 31 to 40.
Sige, I try, sir.
Okay. Which are the four ways each element can be imbalanced?
So deficiency, excess, disharmony between elements, or improper controlling relationship among them are four ways each elements can be imbalanced.
Okay. Actually, ang haba nung sagot mo ng dalawa, pero pareho na rin yun. Excess, deficiency, overacts, insults. No? So, Sir Walter, pag overact, what are you going to do?
Pag overact. So
Yeah.
yung pag overact, it means ano siya, excess po yung isang element. So
Yes. Yeah.
kailangan siyang
Sobra yung grandma, di ba? The grandma is the one controlling, right?
Yes po.
Example, ano ba? Okay, like this, the wood.
Liver spleen.
Yes, liver spleen. Liver spleen ba? Okay. Yung
Yes.
favorite natin. Liver over controlling the spleen. Yes. So what are you going to do? Dapat hinaan mo yung control ni liver, di ba?
Masyadong galit si Lola.
So paano mo mapawi yung
Isesedate ko si Lola.
how?
Gamit yung ibang elements rin like si silang
Yes. It's a tonify mo gagamitan mo yung
silang.
para lumakas siya pag control para humina si
Stimulate
wood.
ko silang para
Yes.
ma-affect ko si liver.
Yeah. Anong point yung pinag-uusapan natin? Yung tinatawag
Liver.
na horary point.
Horary points.
Diba? Ano naman yung horary point, Sir Walter? We're referring to if it's the metal channel, the lung, we're referring to the metal point.
Okay po.
Alam mo yan, nakalimutan mo lang.
Yes po. So lang, ano ba yun? Lang 8 po.
Yeah. I guess so.
Magaling.
Yes. Now, saan na ba tayo? Then we have the insult. Insult, ibig sabihin, go back to the wood.
Yes po.
Okay, ini-insult yun na si metal. Anong gagawin mo kay wood?
So ano po? Si liver po, iniinsulto niya silang, tama po ba? Anong gagawin ko kung nangiinsulto si liver? So, isesedate ko po ba?
How?
So, gamit kung si liver yung
yung excess, sino ba yung anak
excess?
ni
Si
liver?
kidney.
No,
Si kidney ang
anak
gagamitin
ni
ko.
liver.
So, anak ni liver is si heart.
Okay. Yan yung one of the modalities, no? Actually, mayroon pang iba. Depende sa'yo. What is the effect and function of sour taste on the body? Like yung 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 asim, di ba? Anong
Yes, po.
epekto niyan sa atin?
So, it's promote digestion and it gives a liver health. Aids for digestion po. For the secretion of liver.
Yeah. So that means nag-generate siya ng fluids and yin. You're correct. Mahilig ka ba sa maasim?
Medyo po.
Maganda yung digestion mo. Actually, nakaka-control siya sa perspiration and diarrhea. No? Sour. Pero kung maasim na siguro yung mukha, hindi na pwede, no? Joke lang. How does the taste of bitter affect the body? So, anong epekto ng bitter?
So, dali lang po.
Ay, okay. Sige po. Ay, kumato. Ay,
Ano
naku.
po, how does
Pasyente,
the
baka gusto mo ng okay lang?
okay na po.
Inaalis mo, no? Okay. So,
It detoxifies and support heart function and it can reduce heat in the body as well.
okay. Yeah. Or it can clear damp heat. And it's a boost rebellious chi. What is an example of a bitter food?
Ang palaya po,
Oh, yun na alam mo pala yan. Okay.
bitter gourd.
Yeah. What effect and function does sweet have on the body?
So it has a nourishing effect on spleen function, promotes energy while balancing digestion, overall within TCM principles.
Yeah, it can also stop pain. Did you know that? Di ba lumalakas ka pag mahina ka, yung sweet? Pero dapat hindi yung sweet na chemical, dapat yung sweet fruits. Di ba? It tonifies, balances, but too much can also be bad. So if you're in pain, you can eat something sweet. Which taste scatters and is used to expel pathogenic factors. Kaya pag nagkasakit ka, nagkaroon ka ng COVID, kailangan kumain ka nito.
Yung mga pungent food,
Yes. What is an example of a pungent food?
yung mga maanghang po,
Katulad ng
spicy po, mga spicy.
pati yung yung ginger,
Oregano, sir, pwede po ba?
oregano. Basta maanghang. Try mo lang. Kung lalong,
Cayenne. Mga cayenne, sir, pwede.
Pepper.
yeah. Next, what effect and
Naman pungent.
function does salty have on the body? Punta ka na. Kala ko ba dito? Oh, sige, sorry.
So, the salty taste has a moisturizing effect on kidney function, help maintains hydration levels effectively throughout the body system. So, maganda po siya
ang
para
salty.
sa it holds the water, maganda pang holds ng water.
Yes. So, nakaka-treat ng constipation. Okay. Number 37. A person who is prone to outbursts of anger is an imbalance of which element?
Wood or for the liver.
Wow, galing. Actually, ang daming pasyenteng wood, sa totoo lang. The negative effect of excess joy is a migraine attack. So, dapat hindi ka masyadong masaya ng ma-migraine. Which element is associated with joy?
It's fire, sir. Fire.
Yeah. So, sabihin na natin nagka-migraine attack. Like, how will you control the fire?
Gamitin ko po si kidney, ito-tonify ko po si kidney po ba? Tama po ba? I-stimulate ko si
wait
kidney.
lang. Wait. You have to, reduce the fire. No? Pwedeng liver fire, pwedeng heart fire. The effect is the same. Diba? So, pag excess yun eh. So, yeah, katulad mong
or controlling for the horary.
yeah, the horary. Very good. Yes. Gets na, Sir Walter? Huwag ka mas-stress. Di ba meron kang kopya ng 4-point needle technique? Sige, kung matapos natin to, papa-explain ko sa iyo, ano ba yung 4-point needle technique? Number 39, pensiveness or overconcentration is related to which element?
Earth.
Yes. Spleen. An excess of our thinking faculties and study is related to which element?
It's a metal.
Too much study?
Hindi po ba metal yun, sir?
Hindi. Too much thinking, too much studying. Sabi nga nila pag sa
overthinking po is spleen.
Spleen. Pareho lang.
Overthinker po.
Kanina may dinaanan ako sa di pa kasi, merong isang coffee shop, ano daw, study and eat. I'm sure pag study, yung kakainin mo doon yung puro matatamis. Puro ano. Thank you so much, Sir Walter.
Thank you po.
Ka na masyadong naguguluhan? Kasi yung next na itatanong natin is yung 4-point needle technique. Hindi, joke lang. Wag na muna ngayon. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Let's go
Welcome po.
to Ma'am Susan. Ma'am Susan.
Good evening, Doc.
Yeah, good evening. Can you tell us this one, the answer to grief or sadness and worry is related to which organ? And what is the symptom?
Lung and lung C deficiency.
Wow. Okay. So anong manifestation ng lung qi deficiency?
Ano, Doc?
Ano po?
Rashes?
Paano natin malalaman may lung qi deficiency? Ano yung una-una mong hanapin?
Yung mga sign, Doc.
Yes, of course.
Pwede may ubo siya.
Kasi hindi mo naman
Pulse.
pwede sabihin sa pasyente, Ma'am, you have lung qi deficiency. Ano yun?
Kasi, Doc, pag sad yung, di ba, nag-grip siya.
Yeah.
Sad siya. Himihina yung lungs niya.
Oo nga. So paano natin mag-manifest yun?
And then at the same time, kumihina yung lungs niya, Doc, nag-create to na para siya maubuhin din.
Okay. What else?
Nagkaka-rashes.
Nahirapan mo nga, di ba? Shortness of breath,
Masakit
bali
din yung
mapagod.
ulo niya.
Okay.
Sakit din yung ulo niya, Doc.
And madali siyang sipiling.
Sakit
Madali
din yung
siyang dapuan
dibdib.
ng sakit, di ba?
Yes, kasi may
Nagkaroon na ba ng instance sa time sa life nyo na masyado kayong nalungkot?
yeah, namamatay ang mother ko last year.
Ano I'm very sorry po. Last week?
Kaya,
Sorry for your loss. So, di ba parang
Kaya.
nabara yung ilong mo?
Yes.
Saka parang hirap ka lumakad, parang bigat-bigat.
Wala kang gana. As in,
Yeah.
everything, wala.
Okay. Anxiety and fear is related to which organ and symptom?
Kidney and kidney deficiency po. Kidney. Hello? Hello po.
Sandali lang po Mimute ko lang yung iba. Okay. Sorry po. Yeah, ano po? Kidney and?
Kidney deficiency po.
Very good. What does sour taste indicate? May mga tao na mahilig masyado sa... Yung panlasa nila maasim.
I don't know kung tama Liver disharmony.
Yes, liver disharmonies. Bitter taste.
Doc, ang alam ko dito dati liver is a bitter taste. Pero heart fire?
Yeah. Actually, pag heart fire, ibig sabihin, nangyayari lang ito pag kulang ka sa tulog. No? But, dapat dalawa yung answer dyan eh. Gallbladder and liver fire. Ganun. Lalo na pag galit ka parate. Like, ang bitter taste sa isang taong may liver fire, okay. Do we get it clear? So pag heart fire, nangyayari lang yan pag kulang ka sa tulog. Bitter taste. Pero pag ang bitter taste mo the whole day, that means galit na galit ka. So that's like gallbladder and liver fire. Okay? Next, sweet taste indicates?
Spleen deficiency.
Okay, very good. Pungent taste.
Nasabi na kanina yung lungs disharmonies.
Okay. Salty taste.
Kidney deficiency po.
Okay. Okay, pag meron kang tight tendons, stiff tendons, ano ibig sabihin nito?
Wood disharmony po.
Okay, very good. So ayusin mo yung wood.
Between
No?
the liver and the gallbladder.
Yes. Problems with blood vessels indicate which imbalance?
Heart imbalance
Yes, very good. Or fire imbalance. And the
or
last
fire.
one, kung meron kang atrophy or weakness of the muscles, what does it indicate?
Ferric deficiency po.
Very good. Ang galing. Thank you so much, Ma'am Susan. Are you enjoying
po.
so far?
Yeah.
Yes. And you're
I'm learning also.
Of course, we all have to learn. Otherwise, sayang yung time natin. Maraming salamat po. I'm
Thank
very
you po.
proud of you. Congratulations. Keep learning. Never stop.
Yes, Doc.
Now let's go
Yes, Doc.
to before I call on Ma'am Mercy, we're going to have I'll assign first yung 61 to 70. Ma'am Mabel, were you able to answer 61 to 70?
Akala ko, Dok, 81.
Ayun nga
Ano
pala,
bang
sorry.
number?
Okay, 81 to 90. Pagkatapos si Ma'am
Hmm.
Trish is 101 to 110. Or even, okay. Sino hindi pa naratawa? Wait lang. Siguro we will have to go back to ano. Okay, anyway, and you're all ready. Okay, let's go to Ma'am Mercy, Madam M. Good.
Okay po.
Yeah, how do you say good evening in French?
Good evening, good afternoon, everyone.
Okay.
Bonsoir.
Oh, bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Soir.
Bonsoir tout le monde. Good evening, everybody.
Yun na lang, bonsoir. Spontaneous sweating, skin disorders. Anong indication to?
Metal or lungs.
Okay, anything, yeah, lung weakness. You know what spontaneous sweating, even if it's not hot, you sweat, no? And you have skin disorders, that's very lung weakness. Bone degenerative diseases occur in old age, such as osteoporosis. What does that indicate?
It indicates decline of kidney essence or water element.
Very good. So, you need to really analyze why is the kidney essence declining. So probably that patient should start modifying the lifestyle. Dapat kompleto na tulog, di ba? And all this stuff. Kasi every time you will have, as I mentioned before, no? When you have the kidney essence is actually your lifetime savings. So if you keep on withdrawing and withdrawing, then definitely you'll end up with osteoporosis, no? So that means kailangan pa hindi tayo magka-osteoporosis, we should probably find time to rest, make sure that we have good sleep. Kasi a condition called kidney yin deficiency or even liver blood deficiency will necessitate the withdrawal of essence from the kidney. Yes? So that hindi magpatuloy. Para di ba ang sarap
Yes.
pakinggan if people will tell you, oh, you're 50 na pala. I thought you were only 31. Oh, di ba? What does blurred vision indicate? Yes, liver. Sorry.
It indicates liver
Yeah. Liver deficiency.
deficiency.
Yeah, because the eye is the exit point of the liver. Okay, what does problem with the tongue indicate? Hello?
Purple yung tongue, Doc.
No. The tongue in general, like slurred speech, hindi mo
The tongue in general, slurry.
Yeah. So what does it mean?
Slurry
Speech, heart problem. Di ba? Yung mga may heart problem.
It is related to heart.
Yes.
Heart problem.
Very good. Mouth and lips problem.
Spleen deficiency or stomach heat.
Very good. Yeah, everybody should know this. What does dry nose or sneezing indicate?
It indicates lung dryness or deficiency.
Very good. Everyone agrees? Yeah. Decrease in hearing or chronic tinnitus indicates?
Kidney deficiency.
Okay. Usually, we would ask the patient, sometimes pag galit na galit yung patient, meron din tinnitus. You know why? Kasi nadideplete si kidney temporarily. So pag the tinnitus is due to liver, young rising, the pitch is high. So pag pitch is low, hindi naman siya nagalit, that's kidney deficiency. So ganun lang. That is just showing to us that the kidney and the liver, they have a very mutual relationship. Okay? What does sensitivity to wind indicate?
Disharmony of mood.
Very good. Okay. If someone feels much worse in hot places, what does that indicate?
Indicates fire or heart
Yeah,
disharmony.
yes. Fire imbalance or heart disharmony. Disharmony is another term for imbalance. Okay. What about heaviness or sensation of heaviness? Ano ibig sabihin nun?
In disharmonies or earth or spleen element.
Okay, so that means the spleen is very
Dampness.
weak, nagkaroon ng dampness. So my next question is, how are you going to confirm using the tongue and pulse?
Sa dampness. Sa tongue, ano siya? Swollen.
Yeah, pwede. Pero primarily, ganito, huwag kayo ma-confuse. Usually, pag damp pa lang, kasi damp is the precursor of phlegm. Pag sanayin mong phlegm, malaki na yung tongue. No? But usually, pag damp pa lang, you would have to take a look at the coating of the tongue. It's sticky, greasy coating. Okay? So usually, it's a little bit thick. And when the first thing that you will notice is laki ng tongue, super laki, that's probably phlegm already. So we would, although swollen din ang tongue pag may dampness, but yeah, pwede. But yeah, so the first thing, minsan kasi hindi pa swollen yung tongue, may makikita ka ng mga, kaya mas maganda kasi you catch the patient quite early, no? Hindi pa nagkaroon ng coating. Okay? So your goal is to be able to make sure na hindi na sticky, thick yung coating. What about the pulse? What type of pulse are we expecting for somebody with dampness?
Ano siya? Dampness, usually weak.
And
deep.
Slippery. Slippery is pathognomonic of
malalim po.
Yeah. And the slippery, at saka yung bang madulas. Okay? Thank you so much, Madam M, Ma'am Mercy. Merci beaucoup. Yun ang alam ko. Thank you so much.
Thank you rin po.
Yeah, I hope you're enjoying. Yes.
Durian.
Okay, whatever. Ano ko ba? I-Google ko pa yan. Baka pwede na natin tawagan si Miss Lynn. Okay. Sige po. Let's call on Ma'am Lynn.
Hello po, Doc. Good evening, everyone. I'll try my best.
Yeah. Okay. Dali lang.
Number 61 po ba?
Po, Doc. Uy, opo.
Okay. Uwi. Okay. Dry skin or nose injures what tissue? Yeah. So pag dry yung skin, nasisira yung lung. Yeah, keep your skin. Stiffness or pain of joint in cold weather weakens which organ? You answered liver. Does everybody agree with liver?
Kidney,
In
Doc.
cold weather.
Kidney.
Yes. Next, excess sour taste can affect. Yeah. So, hindi lang yung liver, ang nerves. So yung mga mahilig sa maasim, ingat-ingat, no? This will affect the nerves and upset the liver. And wag masyadong sobra. Kaya I think this is the reason why lumalala yung pain. By the way, what taste will actually relieve the pain?
Sweet.
Yes, sweet. So what will aggravate the pain? Sour, excess sour. Excess lang naman. Alam ko mahilig kayo sa mga maasim. Kahit hindi maasim yung mukha. Okay, excess bitter taste should be avoided by what kind of patient?
Bone weakness and bone disease.
Yeah, bone diseases. Very good. Yeah. Or muscle weakness. Can you relate to this? Excess sweet, nanghihina. Pungent taste should be avoided by someone who has in general Qi deficiency. Number 67, the 5 movements that symbolize, of course, there are 5 elements, so may 5 movements din. What are they? Pwede mo lakasan.
5 movements, Doc. 5 movements, Doc.
Okay. Kasi 5 elements, diba? So what are the 5 movements? I think we mentioned everything. Huwag kang masyadong mas-stress. O sige, labas na natin. Okay. Ang tanong, anong element yung mga yan?
Elements, Doc. Heart,
What about
fire.
Ano to?
Look lang.
Anong element itong expansive?
Liver po.
Okay, or wood?
Yeah, wood.
Contractive?
Contractive.
You're not listening.
No, I'm listening, Doc. I forgot. Sorry.
I know you cannot forget. Anyone?
Symbolizes
Metal po.
Metal.
Metal.
Downward.
Downward
Water.
kidneys or water.
Upward.
Fire.
Liver outward. Outward liver.
No. Liver is all directions.
No. Liver
Ano ba
expansion.
yung yun na mention? Paano ba?
Liver expansion.
Nakalimutin
Upward
mo yung ano?
fire. Upward is
Fire.
Fire.
Yung earth.
Outward pala, fire.
And neutrality or stability.
Earth neutrality.
Ano ba yan? Na-stress?
Earth is neutral. Fire expanding.
Earth. Anyone?
Ano nga po
Earth
yung
is
stability,
neutral.
Doc?
This is slow.
Doc. Earth is neutral.
Okay, can you
Stability
repeat,
is
Sir Mark? Everyone, repeating. Expansive.
Wood.
Wood, expansive.
Sumunod.
Kapag metal po, Doc, is ano to?
Okay.
Pinapatigas.
Ano matigas?
Contraction ba talaga?
Harder. Contracting. Ito pala, nag-note ko lang.
Contraction din.
Molded.
Tama
Dama,
naman siya.
hindi.
Kidney.
Yeah. Upward,
Heart.
fire. Neutrality or stability.
Earth.
The five systems that symbolize the five elements. Very easy. Ma'am Lynn.
Opo, winter, spring, summer.
Ay, parang kanta yata.
Summer, Doc. Summer, late summer, autumn, winter, and spring.
Did you mention? Okay. Can you repeat that?
Spring, summer, late summer,
Ay, nalagay ko na pala.
autumn, and winter.
Autumn and winter. Okay. The vertical axis from bottom to top of the cosmological sequence is a symbol of what?
SST. Fission.
Bottom to top. Which is very, very important. We call this the three treasures. We shall actually devote 1 week to study these treasures.
So, SSG mind.
Very good. SNC or
Shen.
Shen. Yeah. Okay.
Zheng
Number
Shen.
7. Review. What does the overacting sequence mean? Ma'am Lynn.
Overacting sequence. Overacting if the grandmother is too much in control dun sa ano po, sa son.
Okay. And one element becomes excessive in relation. Ganun lang. Overact. No? Thank you so much, Ma'am Lynn.
Thank you po, Doc.
Thank you so much.
Welcome po.
Yeah, wag mo stress.
Nag-i-echo po.
Oo. Next, let's call on ulitin. Ay, sino ito? Honor, hey to. Oh, let's call. Hello, Sir Honor. Hello po.
Ay, ako yan.
Ay, ikaw ba?
Ako yan, Doc.
Iba na yung pangalan. Okay.
Ako yan.
O sige, ikaw
Hindi,
ba?
kasi nilipat ko po siya dun sa, mahina yung signal kasi nagpalit ako ng,
Okay.
Wi-Fi.
Okay, balikan natin si Doc She Damasco kasi parang unfair ang dali ng question niya. Punta tayo sa Doc She, you're still there, I'm sure. Oh,
Buti na lang.
madilim na. Saan naman kabundukan niya?
Nag-drive ako, kakarating ko lang sa bahay.
Okay. Hindi ka na nagda-drive. Okay. Taste related to water is?
Water is pungent?
No. The taste related to water element.
Kidney.
Sour.
Kidney, sour. Sour pala.
Anong sour?
Salty.
River
Salty.
is water. Heart.
Kidney, salty.
Is related to water.
Water
Salty.
element. Kidney.
Salty.
Salty. Sorry.
Okay, taste related to fire.
Sweet.
Bitter.
Ay, bitter.
Ano ba talaga?
Bitter.
Taste related to wood.
Wood.
Bigtad lang natin.
Wood is
No Tucci.
Sour.
Dami mo talagang supporter. Sige. Taste related to wood is?
sour.
Ano daw?
Sour.
Okay. Taste related to metal.
Yan yung pungent.
Yes. Taste related to earth.
Sweet.
Earth is Sweet. Ano ba
Iniisip
yun?
ko ba yun?
Sweet.
Screen is sweet.
Ano ba yan? Emote pa?
Sweet.
O sweet, no?
Sweet.
Name the pattern of the liver affecting the heart. The liver is the mom, the heart is the child. So, ibig sabihin, I'll give you an idea, ha? Yung mother, walang mahina ang budget. So, what will happen to the child?
Insulting.
Wait lang.
Ano siya?
Ano ba mangyayari sa anak pag walang pera yung mother?
Generating sequence.
Mahina din siya to.
Yeah, generating sequence. But I'm talking about the pattern. You have to be specific.
It's insulting.
Insulting.
No. Pattern
Hindi
hingi dito. Hindi yung cycle.
Pattern.
Mm-mm. Okay, tingnan nyo. Yung liver, yung mother. Tapos, affected si child. So,
Mother, child.
the pattern. Okay, first you need to know, ano bang cycle to? Definitely, it's...
Generating.
Ano ba? Deficiency? Yeah, generating. Medyo may problema sa
Ano ba?
Hindi
Bali kung
makagenerate.
deficiency.
Kasi affected, wait lang, affected si heart.
But,
so definitely, there's something wrong with the mom. Could be weak.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
ano yun? Deficient?
Si liver blood. Liver blood deficiency.
No, affected si heart, the child. Di ba pag deficient, who do you tonify? Do you tonify the mom or the child?
Excess shadow.
The mom. We tonify the mom.
Tonify the mom. So that means,
Yeah.
what is the impact on the child, which is the heart? So that means, if the heart is affected, the child, we have to talk about a heart pattern. Do you follow?
Yes.
So that's heart chi deficiency.
Yeah, or heart blood deficiency.
Blood deficiency.
Yeah. Heart deficiency. Actually, this question is so unfair. Pero at least we just wanted to know na, like, if there's something wrong with the mom, definitely you need to tonify the mom. So yung impact niya is the child, which is the heart. Okay? Next, if a person has a green complexion, what could be indicated?
Green. Ano nga yung green?
Wood and
balance of wood.
Balance of wood. Sino bang in charge sa pagpa-facilitate ng flow ng chi?
Spleen.
No?
Liver.
Ano ba yan?
Liver po.
Liver. Kaya, nakukuha yung color ng liver, which is green. But again, clinically, what does it mean? If you know the function of the liver, then you would know the answer.
Kasi liver, kasi wood yun eh. And wood is green.
liver imbalance.
It has something to do with chi flow, right?
Yes po.
So that means there will be an issue with chi flow. What is that? Pag may bara, pag may problema sa pag-flow, di ba pag hindi tumatakbo yung dugo mo, nagkakaroon ka ng bara.
Liver chi stagnation, sir.
Yes, very good.
They stagnate.
Yeah, or chi stasis or chi stagnation, that's the same. Or pwede ring blood stagnation or blood stasis or chronic pain. Thank you, Sir Walter. Ang galing. So pag may lumabas na green, that patient is in pain. So if that patient is in pain, hindi maganda yung flow. So you blame it on the liver. Of course, if there is chi stagnation or chi stasis, there will also be blood stasis. Okay? My question is, what is the difference between chi stagnation and blood stagnation? Bigla na ubo. Okay. Which one is fixed? Which one is movable?
Yung fixed kasi, Doc, yun yung liver
Chi stagnation.
Are you sure?
Yung
Sir,
liver blood.
yung liver chi stagnation, nagmo-move pa yan eh. Yung blood stagnation din nagmo-move yan.
Yung wala na talaga,
Okay.
nag-halt na
Yung
siya.
chi stagnation, lumilipat-lipat yung pain. Actually, hindi mo
Mm.
maintindihan kung saan yung pain. Diba? Iinom ka lang ng pain reliever. But in blood stagnation, yung pain sa chi stagnation is distending pain. Distending. Parang may mga umuusli, no? But sa blood stagnation, it's what's this? Stabbing pain, short pain. Okay? Fixed
Oh.
isang area lang. What else will you do? What will you look for in the tongue?
The color of the tongue is purple.
In
Purple.
Great.
blood
Yung
stagnation, blood stasis, right?
yung lingual niya, Doc, is color purple.
Purple na.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, it's not just relieving the pain. You should also treat the stagnation. Treat the liver. Okay. Bitter taste goes to where?
Heart. Heart.
No.
Liver.
Hindi rin.
Pag
Anyone?
bitter, kidney.
Kaya iniingat yung mga may pasakit yung buto.
Gallbladder po.
It goes to the bones.
Gallbladder.
Yeah. Bones.
Kidney.
Kidney. Yeah, very good. Sweet taste goes to what?
Spleen.
The muscles. Muscles. So hindi ba ang sweet, humihina ang di ba remember kanina, atrophy ng muscles. Ito naman, ang bones, magkakaroon ng osteoporosis, no? Bitter. Hindi din pwedeng masyadong sobrang bitter. Pungent taste scatters what?
Chi.
Chi. Very good. Kaya hindi mo po pwedeng like some people, they drink salabat, no? It's not actually good. Dapat medyo iba yung inumin mo. Thank you so much, Doc She. Madilim na sa likod mo.
Thanks to my support.
Ano to, parang tatakbo yata na. Okay.
To my friend.
Okay, thank you so much. Wow.
Bye.
Thank you. See you soon. Next, let's call on, Ma'am Mabel. I don't forget you. Do not forget. Ma'am Mabel.
Sana okay mga sagot ko.
Okay.
Sa 81 po, kidney and liver.
Salty dries what?
Kidney and liver.
Kaya ba, anong pinapatuyo ni salty?
Liver.
Ay, ang hina.
Kidney.
Blood.
Diba pag natuyo ang blood, anong mangyayari? Lumalapot, diba?
Stagnation.
Good luck.
Blood.
Okay.
The correspondence most important to the 5-element scheme of diagnosis is what?
Deficient and excess.
No. Ano yung aspect na tinitingnan natin na that makes the 5-element scheme of diagnosis very exciting? It's the
plain
color.
Kulay.
Pala.
Importante yung color.
Mali.
Okay, saan nakalocate yung 5 shoe points or yung 5 transporting points? I want all of you to memorize them. Where are they?
Between
what and what?
Ko, pero earth lang nilagay ko, Dok, eh. Earth, spleen, stomach.
Uy, saan na tayo? Hindi. Una-una, nasaan ba yung 5 shoe points? Di ba
Nasa po, between fingers and elbows.
Yes.
And between toes and
knees.
Yes. Fingers, elbows, and
Saka fingers
Mamable,
and elbows.
yes.
Naku, Dok.
According to the five
Sorry.
element theory, sour taste accompanies what? Paulit-ulit na lang po ito.
Oo nga.
Wood liver.
Yes,
Some
word
organs.
harmony. Number 85. When is the generating sequence out of balance?
Generating sequence when the body at rest or sleep or relax. Oh.
Parang, ano yun? Parang yan. Sige lang. Di ba kanina, meron tayong example, yung heart blood deficiency, di ba? Mahina si mother, si liver, kaya mahina si heart, yung child, right? So,
Kailangan kong kabisaduhin yung Dok.
ay kailangan talaga. Okay, when the mother element, hindi na niya kayang in-nourish, hindi na niya kayang palakihin si child. Yes? So, kailangan
Okay.
bigyan mo ng opportunity si mother. Palakasin mo si mother, di ba? Next. Rancid smell indicates what? Alam niyo naman siguro anong, di ba, I'm sure, di ba, Sir Mark, naamoy mo na yan sa pasyente mo?
Yes po.
Something.
Ano ibig sabihin?
Maanta.
Maanta siya para matanda.
Ay, grabe.
Maanta. Yung
Okay,
ano,
anong
yung
nangyari? Anong nangyari po?
old.
No, what is the
Parang
pattern?
siyang old na.
Anong pattern? Una-una, ano bang Zangfu organ ang involved pag
Liver.
may bulok na keso?
Liver problem.
Liver.
Liver niya.
So what happens to the liver
Liver
there?
gallbladder.
Will there be cold?
Liver.
Will there be heat?
Sobrang init niya, nag-liver fire rising.
Yeah. Yes. Or, yeah, liver young rising, stagnation of heat. Very good.
Liver.
87.
Mainit siya.
Okay, Ma'am Mabel, if a person has a yellow complexion, what could be indicated?
Liver deficiency.
Splinchy.
Sa akin, Doc, is
Deficient.
heat. Pag yellow compression, heat.
Splinchy.
Deficiency.
Ang earth nang iinsulto.
Oh.
Kasi mahina si liver. Diba?
Dampness of them.
Ngayon, ang tanong ko, di ba ang kulay ni liver is green? Bakit lumabas si yellow? Ang lumalabas na color, yan yung strong. So, ibig sabihin, mahina si liver. Katulad ng example, mayroon kang hepatitis, no? Jaundice. Diba? We know that the liver is green, pero ang lumalabas, yellow. So, ibig sabihin, naiinsulto na instead, hindi kaya ni liver i-control si earth, no? Hindi kaya ni wood i-control si earth. So, si earth ngayon ang nagiging prominent. Siya ang lumalabas. Or, there is dampness. Dampness. Yellow is the color of dampness. A singing tone in voice indicates what? Ma Mabel, go.
Lung excess.
Huh? Singing
Pagka
tone
ano,
in voice. Lung
Singing
excess.
tone.
Madaling magalit.
No, hindi
Yeah.
sabihin lang singing tone na nga, madaling magalit.
Singing tone, ibig sabihin, maingay.
De, kumakanta.
Kumakanta. Ano naman nangyari sa atin? Epekto ba yan ng pipito? Kaya naging galit yung singing tone.
Kumakanta.
Kaya sa mga bagong pa. Okay, anong element ang imbalance po, Ma Mabel? Sige.
Lungs.
Hindi siya lungs.
Wait lang.
Earth.
Deficiency.
Earth.
Metal.
Di ba kung nagsasalita kayo, Ma'am Mabel, parang kakanta? Ay, sorry Okay, nalaman tuloy.
Art pala yung
Okay, next, 89. If the liver deficiency is affecting the heart, what would one do? Yan pa rin paulit-ulit ha.
Parang mali ata yung sagot ko. Fire affecting the metal.
Hindi.
Layo.
Anong gagawin mo?
Kaya, pag ano po, Dok?
Tonify mo yung liver ko.
Totoo.
Actually, depende sa'yo. Okay.
Tonify mo yung nanay ng liver, ng
Tapos,
nanay ng wood.
Inorish mo si nanay at saka si fire. Diba? Kainin mo nanay para mapakain niya si fire. Or, itonify mo si spleen. Ganun lang po yun.
Yung tatlo.
Nakita nyo, sabay lang yan, parang gamanon lang siya, di ba? Wood, fire, earth. Katulad din yan ng mga nasisiraan ng bait. Di ba, Sir Mark? Fire, wood,
kapag
and water.
ng bite, yung liver niya tumataas, saka yung heart part niya, nag-risings na lalo. Tapos yung earth niya, nag-deflate ata.
So, ibig sabihin, depende na sa'yo to. Anong gagawin mo? No?
Oo. Tonify ko si spleen.
Yes.
Tonify mo si water.
Andyan
Kasi
na.
liver deficiency nga eh.
Mamaya na kayo sa treatment principle.
Kasi si kidney kasi, pag tinonify yung spleen mo, dire-diretso na maayos yung kidney mo.
Bakit tayo
liver pinag-uusapan natin. Uy.
Okay, punta na tayo sa last question. Anong consequence ng wood excess?
Anger.
Insult the liver.
Anong epekto niya sa ibang organs?
Digestive issues.
Yes?
Digestive issues?
Yeah. Because nag-o-overact sa spleen. So nagkakaroon ng dampness. Digestive issue.
Wood invading earth.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ma'am Mabel.
Story dog.
I hope you're still happy.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bawi ka next time.
Ay, diba?
Babawi
Okay,
na
number
ako.
91 to 100. Gusto mo mag-try ulit? Sir Walter.
91, sir.
Yes. 91. Sorry, this is 90. Oh. Metal engenders what element? Ibig sabihin, what does metal generate? Sir Walter.
Fire.
Water.
Earth.
Ano naman nangyari? Hindi. Anong
Water.
Sabi ko nga, metal generates or engenders what element?
Earth.
Water.
Yung earth.
Water.
Uy, ano na nangyari sa Sir Walter? What's your answer? Gutom na yata. Anong?
Yung ano, sir, it create moisture, sir, during condensation. Parang ganun.
Yeah, anong tawag doon sa element na yon?
Overacting ba yan?
Andun na yung sagot mo eh.
O yun na. Ano ba yung dew, condensation na tawag? Ba yan? Sir,
Ayan na po. Overacting on spleen.
Ay, ano na ba? Paano na
Hindi
nangyari?
nagbago daw yung
Water.
Water.
Water nga.
Water na. Water. Okay. What is the movement of wood? Paulit-ulit. Bilis.
Expansion.
Expansion. Oh.
Yes. What is the movement of fire?
Upward.
Upward.
What is the movement of earth? Wait, hindi ikaw. Sir Walter.
Neutral or stability po.
Wow. What is the movement of metal?
Metal is downward like water.
Oh, not downward.
Ano po metal? Inward.
Yes. Huh?
Inward.
Oh yeah,
Deep or
inward or
inward?
contraction. Yes. Movement of water.
Downward.
Siyempre naghahanap yan ng down. What is the season of wood?
Season of wood is spring.
Season of fire.
Season of fire is summer.
Season of earth.
Late summer.
Ang galing. Season of metal.
Metal is autumn.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sir Walter. Oo, medyo dismayado lang ako sa una mong sagot. No? Metal.
Medyo nahihilo na, sir.
Water. Okay. So, again, we would like to introduce Ma'am Trixie. Ma'am
Hi.
Patricia, she is so ready. Okay, please welcome the latecomer, but I know she's good. Pasagutin na natin sa kanya lahat. So kung may mga supporters, I'm sure she would like to show her face.
No.
I know. Okay.
I'm
never-
shy.
Okay.
Shy pa siya.
The boss is shy pa siya. Sige, next week yan, hindi na siya shy. Ma'am Trixie, what is the season of water?
Winter.
Wow. What
Water.
happens when the heart is affecting the liver? The heart is the child, the liver is the mom.
Deficiency of blood.
Liver blood deficiency. Okay, what is happening here? Okay, magasto si child, no? Ang nangyari, it's actually the heart affecting the liver. Can you follow? So when you affect someone, you deplete the energy from that someone. Anyone? Yeah, you were correct. Blood deficient in blood, but you should be more specific. Okay naman, no? Yeah, okay na lang kasi pinapakita yung mukha, pero next week ipapakita na niya. It can cause liver blood deficiency, okay? What are some aspects of diagnosis related to the 5 elements?
Colors, sounds, smells, emotions, taste, tissues, sense, orifices, climates.
Wow, very complete. Yung ating kulang. Very good. What color is metal?
White.
Great. What color is water?
Black.
Okay. What sound is linked to wood?
Shouting.
Great. What sound is linked to fire?
Laughing.
Okay, among the people here, who do you think is... Just kidding. What is the sound linked to metal?
Weeping.
Okay, how can you assess the voice of Sir Walter? Does he sound like he's laughing?
May anxiety. I'm kidding. I don't know.
Yeah, weeping. Do you agree? Sino ba? Di ba mukhang malingkot yung boses ni ni Sir
Parang may
Walter?
Malungkot eh.
Malungkot.
Agitated.
What is the sound linked to water?
Malungkot, sir, kasi pagod na, sir, eh.
Ay, sige, we need to rush. Okay. What is the sound
Okay lang,
linked to
sir,
water?
okay lang. Okay.
Drowning.
Yes. What is the smell linked to wood?
Rancid.
Great. What is the smell linked to earth?
Fragrant.
Great. Smell linked to metal.
Rotten.
So if you see someone who is a heavy smoker, nakita mo ang itim na ng lips.
Yes.
Yeah, just like, alam nyo, kahit anong poster ilagay mo doon sa sigarilyo, ganun pa rin.
Di ba, Doc, pati sa lips, dark?
Yes, the lips are dark. But you know, the smell is so rotten, like rotten fish. Okay?
Yeah.
Sino dito sa atin kaya? Joke lang. What is the smell linked to water?
Putrid.
Yes. So kung amoy ihi na. What's the emotion linked to wood?
Anger.
Great, easy. Emotion linked to water.
Fear.
Great. Sour taste generates what?
Liver disharmonies.
Wait lang. Generates, like you're going to eat something sour. So what does it do? It actually generates fluids.
Fluids.
Okay. Thank you so much for having only one mistake.
Thank you.
It's a very good performance first
Oh,
time.
wow. Nice.
Thank you so much,
Thank
everyone. And I'm sure you're praying that we'll end this session already. We've been like doing this for almost 2 hours.
Masaya.
I hope you had fun. Next week, we see you again for Zhang Fu Theory. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank
And
you.
your happiness,
Thank you, Doc.
Sir Walter.
Okay.
Kanina
Thank you,
pala
Doc.
Thank you
Thank
and
you,
good night,
everyone. Thank you, Ma'am
everyone.
Trixie,
Bye-bye. Good
everyone. Bye-bye.
night. Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye.
Enjoy.